I loved it.
I loved it too. Good morning from Amed. So, this is basically the place we stayed last night. And now we are leaving Amed to go further west to look at some waterfalls. We're gonna stop in between for breakfast. We stopped at this very cool cafe. And we are cutting it. Look at this. This is perfect. Yummy. Egg. This was amazing. You should really check out this place. And we're gonna see each other at the waterfall.
We arrived to Sekumpul Waterfall. Included with the ticket price is a local guide because you can't do the trekking all alone. So we're following him to the entrance.
I'm so happy with the ride. Everybody else is walking.
Oh my god, it's so steep. Are we really going down?
So we're walking down with our guide. We drove down almost all the way, but this part is only accessible by foot. And in between we just had to stop and look at this beautiful scenery. I mean, wow. Sekumpul Waterfall is actually the tallest waterfall in whole Bali, with about 80 meters height. And it consists of 7 different waterfalls in 3 different areas. When you go down, you can choose between the medium trekking or the long trekking, depending on your time and the money. Medium trekking costs 125k and long trekking costs 200k. And in the medium trekking, you visit 2 areas, and in the long trekking, you visit all 3 areas. We chose to do the medium trekking, and we're super excited. I swear this is out of this world. So sadly, Papa hurt her toe, so I'm going alone further. She's staying back. So this is the second area that we're going to, and I decided to go swimming. We're just leaving Sekumpul Waterfall. When you follow the advice of your tour guide to take the shortcut. More adventure. We're going full of adventure. We arrived in the hotel.
Oh my god, I feel so dirty actually.
We're so done. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it's like 5:50 in the morning. We're gonna go and see hopefully some dolphins. Ready. Super ready. And for everybody who's wondering where we are in Lovina, where you can get up every morning at 6 to go and see dolphins. So, we just came back from our dolphin trip.
I loved it.
I loved it too. So if you ever here, you should definitely do it. The only thing that I found very sad is because there are so many boats. The dolphins
And so little dolphins.
yeah, they were
not coming out.
yeah, and the
much.
boats, they would just go full speed over them, and then they would
And
go
scare
away
them.
and scare them away, which I find is pretty stupid. So yeah, but it was amazing.
But I think they will figure it out sooner or later that that's not the way to see
Yeah.
dolphins.
We're now leaving Lovina to head to
Oing, oing.
waterfall, and hopefully we get an SD card on the way.
We need one.
Yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.